What is up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video for you guys today. So in today's video, I have nothing planned. I just wanted to film for you guys because I literally haven't posted in a while, and a lot of y'all know that, and it's been kind of a while. So this is gonna be needing to get some used to. So I don't have anything planned for today's video, but we're just gonna be doing some things. It's gonna be a vlog since July 12th is the day I'm gonna be dropping this car off to get painted and molded, and I'm gonna be filming all that. So all my effort, everything is gonna be going into that video. I'm gonna be doing like different parts, so probably a 2-part or 3-part, we'll see. But yeah, July 12th, this thing is getting dropped off to get painted finally, and then I'm gonna do a big car meet reveal of this thing, so y'all stay tuned for that. And it should be a dope video you guys don't want to miss. But today's video, we are going to be doing the oil change on this car. So pretty much just maintenance things. So I'm going to be doing the oil change like I just said. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it, because this car is easy, but it's kind of different because this car takes more oil because I have an oil cooler. And yeah, and it doesn't take the original oil filter, which is right here. This is the original oil filter number that it takes. Mine takes a different type because I have that oil cooler cap, which runs a different oil cooler. So if you're running the Beamer World one, you're running the same filter as me. So yeah, I forgot the number, but when I go pick it up, I'll show you when I'm doing the oil change. And then once we get this thing done, we'll take it for a rip, drive it around, because I know it's been a while and I want to show you guys a few things that I did to it. I keep saying and then, bro. I'm just like, it's not it for me. It's been a while, I'm gonna be straight up. So we're gonna go get some Starbucks coffee, just start the day up. You know, I need to wake up because I need that caffeine. You know, your boy ain't energetic. You already just seen I just woke up. So let's get this video started. Alright, y'all, so I don't know why the flash is on, but I wired my oil pressure sensor, as you can see. I just still need to do the fuel pressure sensor, so I'm probably going to do that in today's video. We'll see if I get to it. If not, we'll do it in a separate video, just so I have something else to post. But yeah, everything's working. And look at the interior. I know it's been a while, y'all haven't seen this car. So yeah, it looks really good, your boy. But yeah, look at this. I got that cleanish banner now. Shout out to my homie. But yeah, it looks so good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and let it warm up and then take it for a drive. Oh yeah, and I did the AC. This thing blows so cold. It's like, it's unbelievable. It's literally unbelievable how amazing it ahead and head to the store. We're gonna go to Napa, get the oil filter, come back, do it, and then we'll think of something to do afterwards. Probably pick up some Starbucks on the way. Honestly, don't know if I told you guys that I did fix the dome light issue I was having whenever I opened the door, or the doors are all closed. Whenever I drive, this thing would flicker on and off. It turned out to be this damn door sensor, so I put a zip tie and it literally resolved my issue. Shout out to Cleanish, like that's the homie and he's helped me a lot. And also, if you guys want these banners, go on his website, get yours, cleanishmerch.com. Buy it, use my code Mamoon, and get a discount. So yeah, +1, you get one of these awesome banners. Look how cool it looks. This thing is clean. So yeah, we're gonna head to the store. I don't want to keep talking, so yeah, let's go. Man, this car just, I love it. It sounds good. It pulls, even though it's slow. It's not fast yet, but it's just a fun car. Literally, just a fun car. I love it. And it's just so nice, bro. So nice. Yo, what is homie doing? What the fuck? Yo. Oh my god. The shit you see in Texas. This is funny. Oh my god. What type of speed bump is that? Alright, we have made it to Starbucks. Hi, how's it going? Can I get a venti shaken espresso?
Yeah.
All shaken in with white mocha, caramel drizzle.
You just want the classic?
Yes, classic.
Yeah, what else? And that's it?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you at the window.
Alright, thank you. Bro, let me put you guys on this drink. This drink is literally insanely good. My crush put me on it, and I'm telling you right now, it's my favorite Starbucks drink ever. And then there's also a refresher too. Oh my god, it's so good. But go ahead and wait for this Starbucks, because your boy needs his caffeine.
Would you like us to start with this?
No, it's fine.
Like, perfect. Everything's shaken in there.
Alright, appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Alright, y'all. We secured the bag. So good. So freaking good. And this guy's riding my ass. And this guy won't even go. Come on. Chop, chop. We got some things we gotta take care of today. Alright, I'll probably pick up the camera once we get to the store, because I don't wanna just keep recording. So yeah, catch you at the store. That never gets old. It never ever gets old. Boy, I'd be scaring the shit out of people, but it's just so funny. I love it. Alright, y'all, we have made it to Napa Parts. I'm gonna go inside, grab the stuff. Hopefully they have it, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we just picked up the oil. This thirsty shit takes all 10 quarts. They don't have the filter. I have to come back since they have to order it, so it's gonna be here like 1:30ish. Then I'm gonna come back, pick it up, and then we're gonna go to the shop. I'm gonna do it over there since they have a lift and stuff. And it'd just be easier because I just don't want to work on my back, to be honest. So we'll come back, pick up the filter, head to the shop, and then I'll pick up the camera and we'll begin doing everything. So cheers. Yo, I haven't showed y'all this, but we just picked up this shifter cart. And this thing, let me tell you, this thing is insanely fast. I have a lot of content I'll be dropping with this thing, and I don't want to miss out on it. I'm telling you. 0 to 60, 3 seconds. This thing is quick. It's scary fast. So I need to get some gas for it, so I'm probably going to go to the DKC to go get some and then fill it up. It takes like 112 octane, so we're gonna go get some gas for it probably later on down the line, and then I'm gonna film some videos with this for sure for you guys and show y'all how crazy this thing is, because it's insane. So yeah, I just came to get some papers because I sold a car today, so we're gonna go sell this car. I'm gonna head to the shop right now, and yeah. All right, y'all, we made it to the shop. That car sold. Got the title right here. And then we're also gonna be doing the oil change on that here. So, all right, y'all, I just picked up the filter. Back at the shop. We're about to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing in one of these bays and we'll begin on it. All right, y'all. So we got the car on the lift. Now we're just gonna do the oil change. So first thing, open the cap, set that up here. Then we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the oil pressure sensor right here. Just unclip that. Move that out the way. And then this is a 13mm bolt. But first we're gonna take off the AN lines and move those out the way. Then take this off, take out that filter, then go underneath, drain it, and then we're gonna have to pump these and take out all the oil out of the oil cooler. And then once we do that, make sure all the oil's out of the oil cooler, then we'll begin putting everything together, filling it up with oil, and then we should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by taking these off, and then we'll remove that. All right, y'all, so we got it all out, got it cleaned up. We got the old one right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and lift the car up, drain it from the bottom, put everything back together, bring it down, put the new filter, new rings, all that, and then add oil and start her up, and we should be good. All right, y'all, we're draining the oil right now, and it's very black. And the bottom bolt is a 17mm, just to let you guys know. So we're just gonna let this thing drain, then put that new crush washer on that, put it back, lower the car, add the new oil, put the ring on the filter, put the new filter on, add the oil, and then reset the light, and we're good. Alright, y'all. So we got the new ring on. This is the oil filter, and it just snaps in here. Just like so. So this thing is ready to go. And then we're just gonna go over here and pump all the oil out of the oil cooler with this thing and make sure everything's drained. Then we'll put that in. Oh, what are you doing, dude? Look at you making a mess. All right, Al. As you can see, we're pumping all the oil out. And we're gonna do that on both ends just to make sure that everything is completely out and empty before we put the new oil in, so it can recirculate. Just so we don't have none of the old oil mixing with the new oil. So we'll go ahead and get back to you whenever I get this done. All right, so we got the oil cooler all pumped out. Now we can go ahead and put our filter in. We're gonna go ahead and plug in our sensor, our oil pressure sensor. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you change out these old rings as well. We'll tighten that down once I have these in place. Now, once these are in, we'll go ahead and tighten this, and then tighten these down, and then add the new oil.
Somebody else gonna check credit over your sport.
Man, I'm just dropping everything today. Now we can go ahead and begin putting the oil inside the car. Goes one of these. We're gonna go ahead and start it for a little bit and then turn it off.
You're never gonna go this high.
Now we're gonna go ahead and check the.
Okay, there. Now it's good. Now it's max.
All right. Everything is done on this car, and that's how you do an oil change on my E36 M3. I mean, like every other E36 empty. The only different step is I have this aftermarket oil cooler, and yeah, just one little extra step, but that's about it. So now we'll see what else we got to do today, and then call it a day after that. So yeah. All right, YouTube, so that's about gonna wrap up today's video. I know I didn't film the part of me dropping off the bumper at the body shop just because I got carried away with a whole bunch of stuff and my camera died, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to film. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be filming more videos. I know I didn't put the gym video. I didn't even go to the gym today, sadly. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Probably be me doing another day vlog and going to the gym and showing you what I do and what I eat. So yeah.